Have visual on target. Mount 22.
244 true.
600. Firing. 150 rounds expended. Mount 22. No apparent damages. No apparent casualties.
All right, stop the problem. Stop the clock. 5 minutes over in the debrief room.
All you have to do is turn on the news for any period of time and you're going to see where there's potential adversaries and there's something that's going on. We have to be ready for an incalculable number of scenarios that we could face. To get a more lethal warfighting ready force at sea all the time, we're turning to a new training system called Ready Relevant Learning.
Hey, so my name's Lieutenant Jay Norris. I'm the director here. The 16th, if you haven't heard, was the implementation date of our new Ready Relevant Learning curriculum. It's the right training at the right time, delivered the right way. It's not really that we're changing what we're teaching. We've changed the delivery method. This is the way to learn. This is what people respond to.
Are you gonna help them? Curb. You gonna let them sink? How do I get a course of speed? What do I need first?
In the old legacy curriculum, the instructor would sit in the classroom on the PowerPoint or on the overhead projector. Everybody write this down. This is what we're going to be tested on Friday. Then now we're 80% lab, 80% hands-on, and 20% classroom. They're not just going to be told, hey, this is what you're going to do when you get to the ship. They're actually going to do it.
Now they're learning what they were doing and why they were doing it. They're put into a simulation, they're doing all of these things, they're building good habits, and they build that repetition, the muscle memory.
Let's do it all over again. Get a little bit faster.
We give them more ability as we shift in our training to do those reps and sets, and we give them more ability to actually know what a combat looks like, actually sit in a combat information center, have the communication rhythm that you're supposed to hear in combat.
What's the speed on that contact?
Speed, 13 knots.
Before we didn't have that, so it's making a better, well-rounded sailor to have that system knowledge, as well as it's helping the ship for when they get there, they're ready to learn and they're ready to perform.
8001.
So when we talk about Ready Relevant Learning, it's not just an A-school focus. This is something that's carried all the way to the waterfront. It's built on a foundation from those schools, but once you get here, now the training is accessible.
Once a sailor comes in at an accession level, they get their baseline knowledge and information, and then when they go on the following commands out to the fleet, there'll be a time and place where they need to continue learning, and that never ends throughout their career.
Fire.
5 nautical miles. You got it?
In the past, we've relied a lot on the shipboard training. And shipboard training is great because it's your actual environment. But there's also limitations there. The availability to use that system when the ship is in a maintenance period could be months or a year and that system not be available to train. Now we have a place to come in and to do that. These trainers are places where you can go and you can refresh those skills.
All station cheerio, physics green.
Attack area inbound.
So whether you're brand new to the fleet or you've been in the fleet for a long time, this is the training that's going to get you the experience that you've always wanted with a training device.
Every single thing I learned in this course carries on. The fact that I'm more prepared definitely makes me more of an asset out there in the fleet.
The Navy got this program right. You have to trust it. You have to believe in it. They're going to be more confident. They're going to be more capable. They're going to be more professional. It's going to be a much quicker turnaround that you are able to get that sailor on board and plug them into your watch bill.
It's going to make us more efficient, more effective as a fleet and as a sailor. Starting with the OS rating, and as it spreads to other ratings, it's going to overall make the ship more effective. So to be a part of something like that and to kind of see it evolve is incredible.
As a former commanding officer, I will tell you that this is really an exciting time. We are seeing acceleration, and that's what we need. That level of learning is what's going to give us that competitive edge and keep us in the winning seat, making us a more lethal and warfighting ready force at sea every day.